It's time for a struggle challenge. Let's see what you got today. I've made my sourdough starter and I feed it once a week on Sundays. What can I do with the discard when I feed it? I feel bad throwing it away. This is a great question. We can do all kinds of things with that discard. And I've got a really good idea for you because you feed it on Sundays. Brunch! This looks like a very mature sourdough starter. Let's grab some other ingredients. Syrup, some fruit, eggs, milk, butter, milk, baking soda, baking powder, flour. My dream is to make a sourdough pancake and a fresh berry compote. We got our raspberries, they're going in. Blueberries, they're going in. No, we're gonna add some water here. Sugar, like a lot of sugar. Let's pretend it's Sunday. Discard half of your starter. An egg in there, put a little cinnamon in there, some milk. So these are our wet ingredients. Try to get that starter nice and loose. We're gonna go with a little baking soda and a little baking powder. Holy I'm gonna start adding in some flour and basically go till it looks like it's the right consistency. Let's get some butter in this pan. I'm just gonna make one big struggle pancake. We're gonna hit it with some salt. Frankie waits for bubbles to form in the middle, and then Frankie flips. I'm gonna put a little piece of butter right on top here, let it start melting as it's finishing. How's our compote looking? But as I stir it, the steam increases quite a bit, right? Because I'm showing more surface area to the air. That means it's reducing down faster. Let's try one again. We got a pan, we got oil, batter. So nice. I'm coming under. Ooh, that one looks nice. Oh. You know what? I got a little too ambitious. I made a pancake that was way too big. Big ambitions. It's an ugly pancake. Let's bring her right over. Boom. I'm gonna hit this with a little butter. Some of our compote here. It's not quite reduced to the level that I want. It is what it is. Here we go. We got some macerated. Oh yeah, there you go. Pretty ugly, I love it. Syrup, yes. Gluttony to the extreme. All right, not bad for a sourdough discard. And we're just gonna have to hit it one more time with butter because it needs to have that. There it is. Presentation-wise, this looks like the ultimate Sunday breakfast, I gotta say. There are a few nitpicky things here. The compote wasn't fully reduced all the way down, so there is some like extra liquidity, but I do like the way the blueberries look. So I'm gonna take a little bit off there, and then obviously we had the disaster with the second pancake. So I'm gonna say it's an 8 on presentation. Looks fluffy and delicious. It tastes really great. I mean, I think the flavor's pretty spot on, I gotta be honest. I'm gonna give it a 9 on flavor. I am. That's a great score. It's not just bread that you can make with a sourdough starter. I'm thinking of waffles and biscuits and muffins and scones, crackers, pancakes. All these things work with sourdough really well. I hope this helps. Thank you for this challenge.